Welcome back, students, to our geometry class. Chapter 2, Pythagoras Theorem, Part 4, Problem Set 2. Let's look at 7th sum from Problem Set 2. The sum is triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Point P is on base BC such that PC is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. If AB is equal to 6 centimeter, find AP. Now in this case, figure is not given. So we have to draw the figure. Okay. Here is the figure. So first we have to draw triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Then we have to take point P on the base BC such that PC is 1/3 of BC. So where you have to take this point P, you have to decide somewhere close to C. Okay. So PC is only 1/3 of BC. So the point P should be close to point C. Okay. And you have to join AP. The construction, what we are doing here is we are drawing AM, which is perpendicular to BC. This is not given in the figure, but we will need this AM perpendicular on BC to use some properties in order to solve this particular sum. So we begin the sum after drawing the figure. First thing we have to write is, because this is something what we have done extra of drawing AM perpendicular to BC. So we will mention here, draw segment AM perpendicular to side BC such that B dash M dash C. So how we are drawing the perpendicular, which points will be on the sides, that is B dash M dash C. Okay. So, and the reason what we will write is construction. Okay. After this, since they have given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, okay, we know some properties of equilateral triangle. That is, the sides of equilateral triangle are equal and the angles, each angle of the equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so we'll see whether we can use this property now. So we will write first AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Since they have given that AB is 6 centimeter, that tells that all the sides are equal. Since you are not able to see the figure further, I'll show you the figure on some other paper. Okay, so since ABC is an equilateral triangle, they have given AB as 6 centimeter. But since all the sides of equilateral triangle are equal, AB equal to AC equal to BC is 6 centimeter. Now further reason, you will write sides of an equilateral triangle. Therefore we have written equal to 6. Angle. Now each angle of the equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. So we will write angle C is equal to 60 degree. Okay. We are mentioning only angle C because we just want to mention first the triangle AMC. Okay. In order to mention triangle AMC, we have written only this particular angle C as 60 degree. Okay. Now if you see this particular triangle AMC, angle C is 60 degree. Angle AMC is 90 degree because this is what we have taken construction, perpendicular. Therefore, this particular angle, that is angle MAC, is equal to 30 degree, remaining angle of a triangle. In triangle AMC, if one angle is 60, other angle is 90, then the remaining angle becomes 30 degree. Okay. So in this way, first we will prove that triangle MAC is equal to 30 degree. So further, in triangle AMC, angle AMC plus angle ACM plus angle MAC is equal to 180 degree. Reason, you know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Further, we substitute just now as I showed you that how you can see in the figure also here. You will see here one is 90, other is 60, so remaining. So accordingly we will solve and then we get measure angle MAC is 30. This is simple calculation. Just substitute two angles and we get the third angle. We just shift 150 there and third. So measure angle MAC becomes 30 degree. Now if you observe this particular triangle AMC, one angle is 60 degree, other angle is 90 degree, and just now we proved that the third angle is 30 degree. So triangle AMC becomes a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, and therefore we can use the property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle theorem. Okay. So this is how we have written by the theorem of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. We can write that AM is equal to root 3 upon 2 the hypotenuse. Now the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse. So we will see in the figure the side opposite to 60 is AM. So AM is equal to root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse. Okay. We know the hypotenuse AC. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. So if AB is 6, AC also is 6 centimeter. So side opposite to 60, that is AM, is root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. So that is what is written here. Okay. Side opposite to 30 degree. Here we have used the formula or the property. Then instead of AC, we have written 6 because the side of the triangle is given 6. Okay. And therefore by calculation 2 ones are and 2 threes are 6. So 3 root 3 centimeter. So we got AM. Okay. In this we got AM. Now side opposite to 30, that is MC. So we can write MC is half the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. So MC is half the hypotenuse. In this way we will get MC. Okay. And you see here MC is half the hypotenuse. So half of 6. So here also 2 ones are, 2 threes are, and MC is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Till here we found two sides. One is MC. So MC we have got 3 centimeter. Okay. And other is AM. So AM we have got 3 root 3. AM we have got 3 root 3 centimeter. Now if you see AM we have got MC. Now basically we have to find AP. If you look at AP is a part of a right angle triangle. Which right angle triangle? Triangle AMP. If you look at triangle AMP, it is a right angle triangle. And we have to find AP. Just now we found AM. Okay. If we get MP, if we get side MP, it is very easy to find AP by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So how we can get MP? We know MC. If we know PC, okay, MC minus PC will give us MP. Okay. In the sum they have given some information about PC. PC is equal to half 1 upon 3 BC. But do we know BC? You can see here BC. Yes, we know BC because BC is the side of a triangle, equilateral triangle. If one side is 6, all the sides are 6. that we have also mentioned. Okay, so since PC is equal to 1/3 BC, we can find PC by putting BC value. So that is what we are going to do now. So you will see that PC is equal to 1/3 BC, which is given. Okay, just now I told you that BC we know because BC is the side of a triangle, side of an equilateral triangle. One side is given, so all the sides are same. So one side is given 6. That means even BC is 6. So we substitute BC as 6 and then we calculate 3 ones are 3 twos are. So PC we get as 2 centimeter. Okay, after we get PC, that is I showed you in the figure also that we know how much is MC. Just now we got PC and PC is equal to 2 centimeter. So if I show you here in the figure, if MC is 3 centimeter, PC is 2 centimeter, so naturally MP we can find, that is 1 centimeter. Okay, that we have to show with calculation. So here MP plus PC is equal to MC. Okay, I also show you the figure alongside, so you will get it. MP plus PC is equal to MC. Okay, further MP plus 2, because PC is 2, is equal to 3. 3 means MC. So just the substitution of what we have found earlier. Then we shift 2 on the other side and we get 3 minus 2, which is equal to MP is 1 centimeter. I know that you all can do this even orally, but we need to show this, how we get 1 centimeter. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. And the reason M dash P dash C. You have studied in 9th standard betweenness. So since M dash P dash C, we can do this particular subtraction of the sides. Now, in triangle AMP, just now which I showed you, AMP, we have to find AP. So, triangle AMP is an right angle triangle. Now, we know AM, just now we found MP, that is 1 centimeter. If we know two sides of a right angle triangle, the third side we can find with Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so same Pythagoras theorem will be used in this particular triangle and we can write, you can even look here as you look at this property which is written, that is AP square is equal to AM square plus MP square. Okay, substituting the values of substituting the values of AM and MP. AP we have to find. So what we have got, AM, that is written square, plus MP 1 square. Okay, and further doing the calculations, 3 square into root 3 square plus 1 square. 3 square is written 9, root 3 square, root and square gets cancelled and you will get single 3 here, plus 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1, which is equal to 28. This is, we have got AP square. Now taking square root on both the sides. So first we have split 28 as 4 sevens are. Okay, and then taking square root on both the sides. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 7 remains root 7 centimeter. So we get the final answer, that is AP is equal to 2 root 7 centimeter. Now the 10th sum. Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively from the same point and at the same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 15 root 2 kilometers. Find their speed per hour. Okay, now in this particular sum also, they have not given us a figure. So we need to draw the figure. Now when you read the sum, you will understand that there is something with directions. Okay, something related to directions, east, north. Okay, so when we are drawing the figure, it is very much important that we show that which is the east side, which is the north side. So we'll draw first this directions here. North, we'll show where is south, where is west, and where is east. So here basically we are dealing only with the north side and the east side. Okay, so this is the figure. Now since the figure is not given and we are showing the directions of movement, we also need to give information that what we have considered here in case of A or C or B. Okay, so when you begin the sum, we have to draw the figure first and we have to explain that what is our assumption. Okay, so if you see in the figure, point A represents the point from where Pranali and Prasad starts walking. Okay, so this is point A, from where both of them start walking. One moves towards east and the other moves towards north. Okay, so Pranali is moving basically towards the east. So Pranali moves this direction, that is AB. Okay, so this is the path of Pranali's walk, and it is given in the sum that Prasad walks towards the north. So AC is the path of Prasad. Okay, that has to be mentioned. So here we will write segment AB is the path of Pranali. Okay, and segment AC is the path of Prasad. Okay, then they have mentioned here something which is very important and you have to keep this in mind. After 2 hours, before that, they are moving or they are walking from the same point and at the same speed. This is important, that they are walking at the same speed. So wherever they reach, they are going to reach at same distance because the speed is same. Okay, so whether even if one is moving towards north and other is moving towards east, wherever they reach, that particular distance from A will be same. Okay, so further, after 2 hours, okay, after 2 hours, Pranali reaches point B and Prasad reaches point C. So I'll show you in the figure here. So after 2 hours, you will see they are both reaching at, one is reaching at point B, Pranali, and Prasad is reaching at point C. Okay, now they have given the distance, they have given that after 2 hours, the distance between them. So one is reaching at this point C and other is reaching at this point B. The distance between them, now in the figure you can see the distance between them is BC. Okay, this distance is given as 15 root 2 kilometers. Okay, so the distance between them is given. So PC is given. Now, that is mentioned. Further, Pranali and Prasad walk at the same speed. As I told you that this particular statement is very important, that they start from the same point, okay, and they maintain the same speed. And therefore, let us assume their speed as x kilometer per hour. Okay, so speed is always written in kilometer per hour, so you cannot just write x. Now we have studied a formula where distance is equal to speed into time. Now why we need this formula? Because if you see here I have shown a 90-degree angle here, because whenever we show these directions, okay, we show that there is a 90-degree angle. Okay, so here also we will take that 90-degree angle, because the angles moving to east, north, south or west, they make an angle of 90 degree at the center. So here we have taken 90 degree. Now here we know this BC, that is 18 root 2. If we get to know what is AC and AB, okay, if we get to know what is AC and AB, that is the distance, correct, we'll get the speed, because we have the formula here, distance is equal to speed into time. We have assumed speed as x. So, and the time is given as 2 hours. Okay. Now distance, we have to find the distance. Now distance AB, which is of Pranali, will be x into 2. X is the speed, 2 is time. So x into 2 is 2x. So distance for Pranali is 2x. The distance for Prasad also will be same, because speed is same and time is also same for both. So AC is the distance for Prasad. So AC will be also 2x, because distance is equal to speed into time. For Prasad also, speed is x and time is 2. So 2 into x is 2x kilometers. Okay. So if I show you here in the figure, this becomes 2x and this becomes 2x kilometers. Now if you see, this is a right angle triangle, correct? And therefore we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So how we will use Pythagoras theorem here? BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So further, in right angle triangle CAB, you can even see the figure here. In right angle triangle CAB, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square. So BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. Out of this, BC is given, that is 15 root 2. Okay, the whole square. AC is 2x, the whole square, and AB is also 2x, the whole square. Just now we found with the help of the formula. Okay, further, just doing the calculations, that is 15 square is written and root 2 square is written here. Okay. I hope you can see. So 15 square is 225. Root 2 square, root and square gets cancelled, you will get only 2, is equal to 2x square is 4x square plus 2x the whole square is 4x square. 2 square is 4, x square is x square. 4x square plus 4x square is 8x square. Now 8x square, I have just shifted the left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so 8x square is brought here and this 225 into 2 is brought to the other side. Okay, now 8 is multiplied with x square will be divided. Okay, it is a simple calculation. Then 2 ones are, 2 fours are. Therefore, we got 225 upon 4. Now taking square root on both the sides, 225 is a square of 15 and 4 is a square of 2. So we are getting, and when we divide, we are getting 7.5. Now 7.5 we had assumed as the speed. Okay, so this is what we found, that the required speed is 7.5 kilometer per hour, which is asked to find. Now the 11th sum, in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BL and segment CM are meridians of triangle ABC. Then prove that 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. And in this sum, they have given us a figure. Only one thing, that they have not given this, shown this symbol. But they have given here measure angle BAC is 90 degrees. So we can put this symbol here. Okay. Now, we begin the sum. If you look at this particular thing, what is asked to prove? We have to use Pythagoras in order to get these squares. And you will see in the figure also there are many triangles with which we can use Pythagoras. So first we have to decide which triangles we are going to take so that we can reach up to this. Okay, we want BL, if you see, we want CM and we want BC. BC means we have to take the bigger triangle only. Okay, so first we will start with triangle BAL. If you see triangle BAL, okay, because if we take triangle BAL, then only we will get BL, which is there also here to find. So in triangle BAL, angle BAL is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, BL square, okay, is equal to BA square plus AL square, which is written as statement 1. Okay. Further, we move to triangle MAC. Okay. Again, MAC also, major angle MAC is 90 degree. Therefore, using Pythagoras, we get CM square. Okay. We get CM square is equal to AM square plus CA square or AC square. Okay. Now, when we get the statement 1 and 2, you always keep in mind, I have told you in the earlier videos also, that whatever is asked to prove, always keep on seeing here that whether we are reaching to the target. What is asked to prove? Now, BL square plus CM square is there. By using Pythagoras in both the triangles, we got BL square and we got CM square. Now, we have to add them. So, if you see the first and the second statement, the left hand side of both the statements, BL square and CM square, we have got. We have to add now. So, we will add statement 1 and 2. After adding statement 1 and 2, this is what we get. We have to add the left hand side together and right hand side together. Okay. Now, from this, whatever we don't want or whatever we can change, we have to keep doing the changes so that we finally reach here this 5BC square. Okay. Now, since they have given one information, that is segment BL, okay, I am showing you in the figure, the segment BL is a meridian, okay, and CM is also the meridian. If BL is the meridian, L is the midpoint of CA, and therefore it is shown that CL is equal to AL. If CM is a meridian, M is a midpoint, and therefore it is shown with equal sides, that is BM is equal to AM. This particular thing we are going to use now. If you see here, it is mentioned, I have written here, AM is equal to half of BA. Now, AM is equal to half of BA. Look in the figure. AM is equal to half of BA. And same way, here AL is half of AC. Okay. Again I am repeating, AM is half of BA and AL is half of AC. That we are going to substitute in this particular statement where we have added 1 and 2 and we have got this long statement after adding 1 and 2. Okay. We will replace this AM and this AL. Since AM is half of BA, I showed you in the figure why. Okay, because of the midpoints, AM is half of BA. Therefore, AM square is equal to half of BA the whole square. The reason also is written, M is the midpoint of AB. And if AL is half of AC, AL square is equal to half of AC the whole square, since L is the midpoint of AC. Now, this particular two statements which I have marked as 4 and 5. This statement 4 and statement 5 we will substitute in statement 3. Okay, where we will substitute here, which circles I have made. Okay, so this AM square I will substitute here and this AL square I will substitute here. Okay, so after substituting statement 4 and 5 in statement 3, we get this particular statement, that is BL square. This remains the same. Left hand side remains the same. BL square plus CM square is equal to BA square. And this we are replacing as half AC square. Okay. AL square we are replacing as half AC the whole square. Plus AM square we are replacing as half BA the whole square. And AC square remains the same. Okay. Very important and carefully you have to substitute. After substituting, we have to do the further calculation, that is we have to open this bracket. This will become 1 upon 4 AC square, because half square is 1 upon 4, AC square is AC square. Even this second bracket, 1 upon 2, the whole square is 1 upon 4, and BA square will become BA square. So the next step is to open the bracket. Okay, and we'll get this. After I hope it is clear, this step. How did we get this step? Yes. Now, after this, you will see that the denominators, only 2 terms are having denominators 4. Other terms are not having denominators 4. So, in order to remove these 4 from the denominators, we will multiply each term by 4. So, multiplying each term by 4, the denominator 4 will be removed, because in what is asked to prove, there we don't have anything in the denominator. So, multiplying each term by 4, we get this. So, multiply 4 with BL square, we get 4BL square. Multiply 4 with CM square, we get 4CM square, and so here multiplying 4, if we multiply 4 here, 4 and 4 gets cancelled, and therefore only AC square. Multiplying 4 with this particular term 4 and 4 gets cancelled, only BA square. And multiplying 4 with this, we get 4AC square. Okay. Further, after this, you will see here that 4BA square and 1BA square. Okay, nothing is there means 1. Is 5BA square. And 4 AC square and 1 AC square is 5 AC square. Okay. After that, we will take 5 common. And what goes inside the bracket? BA square plus AC square. Okay. Now, we are somewhere close to what is asked to find. Okay. What is asked to find? This particular thing. Correct? So, we have got 5 outside the bracket, but we have not got BC square. So, how to get this BA square plus AC square as BC square? Left hand side we have achieved. Okay, 5 also we have got. Now, we have to remove this particular bracket and we have to put only BC square. So, how is it possible? So, going back to the figure, if I show you the figure, just look at the figure. What is BA square plus AC square? So look at, we have to remove this, correct? BA square plus AC square. Look in the figure. Okay. If you look in the figure, BA square plus AC square. In this particular triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, BA square plus AC square will be equal to BC square using Pythagoras. So we can replace this BA square plus AC square as BC square by using Pythagoras in triangle BCA. Okay. So after this step, we will take triangle BAC, where angle BAC is 90 degree. You can see in the figure. Okay, big triangle, BAC, where measure angle BAC is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to BA square plus AC square. So, you see here BC square is equal to BA square plus AC square. Now, this same BA square plus AC square, we will substitute in statement 6. We will give this name as statement 7 and substituting statement 7 in 6. So, this full BA square AC square, which is equal to BC square, will be replaced here. So, this full bracket will become BC square. Because it is equal to BC square, we have proved in statement 7. So, by substituting, we get final 4 BL square plus into bracket BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square, which is asked to prove, is proved. Homework: complete the sums from problem set 2 in your notebook. Thank you.